In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Discord user ID if you've ever needed to report an issue, work with bots, or troubleshoot permissions. The unique numeric user ID is the most reliable way to identify an account. It's different from a username or nickname, and it never changes, which is why Discord support and many moderation tools ask for it. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Look down near your username and avatar in the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see a small gear icon labeled User Settings. Click that gear to open your settings. We're going to enable a hidden option that makes copying IDs possible. Inside Settings, find the Advanced section in the left sidebar. It's grouped under App Settings. Click Advanced, and you'll see a toggle for Developer Mode. Turn Developer Mode on. This simply unlocks extra right-click options used by developers, moderators, and power users, including the ability to copy IDs for servers, channels, messages, and of course, users. With Developer Mode enabled, head back to a place where the person you're looking for appears. This could be any server where you share membership or a direct message thread. You just need to be able to see their name or avatar in the chat, member list, or conversation header. Now, hover your mouse over the user's name or their avatar. Right-click to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works as well. Make sure you're clicking the user, not the message background or channel list, so you get the correct menu. In that menu, you'll see an option that says Copy User ID. Click it. Discord immediately copies a long string of numbers to your clipboard. That number is the user's unique ID. From there, you can paste the ID wherever you need it, such as into a form, a note, or a moderation tool. If you don't see Copy User ID in the menu, double-check that Developer Mode is still toggled on in Settings, and confirm you right-click to the user's name or avatar specifically. Also note that usernames and display names can change, but the ID you just copied is constant, which is exactly why it's so useful. That's all there is to it. Open User Settings, go to Advanced, enable Developer Mode, navigate to a server or DM where the user is visible, right-click their name or avatar, and select Copy User ID. With this quick workflow, you'll always have the precise identifier you need for support, automation, or record keeping.